Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm a nail master in Edmonton, Alberta. In January of 2021, we were in our second shutdown due to the pandemic, and I was getting too many texts from clients about nails that were breaking, they were popping, they were chipping, they were having lifting problems, they weren't lockdown worthy, and I couldn't book them in for repairs. Not only that, I shouldn't have had to book them in for a repair if I had done my job properly the first time. So I decided it was time for me to go back to school. And in researching different courses that could specifically address the issues I was struggling with, I came across Mariana's program. I was struggling with issues of consistency and shaping. I was struggling with product knowledge. I was struggling with the timing of my appointments. I was spending too much time in the appointments. And all of those put together were leading to me struggling with self-confidence as a nail master. I felt I didn't know my job anymore. When I started the course, Mariana begins with laying out universal product knowledge. She teaches you the right tools to use at the right time with the right techniques. And then she moves on to the architecture of each of the 5 popular salon shapes that are in demand right now, beginning with the perfect square. And when I say perfect square, I mean perfect square. She's looking for a 90-degree angle, heads up. It's not a participation award that we receive at the end of the course. It is a certificate of achievement and completion that is hard worked for. And you should be very proud when you complete the course. Because if you can't learn how to do the perfect square, you will never learn how to do the perfect almond. And if you don't know how to do the almond, you cannot do the perfect ballerina. What I found with each of the lessons is Mariana provides constructive criticism, she offers corrections and encouragement, and she praises each of your little achievements because they're huge achievements to her as your educator. When you succeed, she succeeds. And there is no better feeling than knowing now that when I go to look at my phone, I will most likely find a text from a client saying, "Hey Laura, I gave your name and number to a lady that I saw at the grocery store. Is that okay?" Absolutely. That's why I took the course. I wanted to grow, and that's what I'm doing. My appointment times are shorter. I have universal product knowledge. I have consistency of shaping that is delivering a much more dependable final product. And I am confident in my job because I know what I know. And that is a great feeling. So if you're thinking about taking the course, don't think about it, take it. It will change your career. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to the review.